This is Athir Maher. The university number is U2296307, and I am studying PGCE at the University of Huddersfield. I'm a specialist in nowadays in AI hallucination and prompt engineering and AI general intelligent engineer. I'm also a mathematician, programmer, and physicist, and I was teaching in university level for more than 29 years. Today I'm talking about how to use AI in learning, which is one of the things that everyone talking about it these days. So I took like a case study of Fibonacci series, because this Fibonacci series need the recursive function, which is one of the difficult subjects of learning nowadays. I wanted just to see how this can give me the benefit, the AI, using this one. So two points in here. We wanted to, the subject here, or the title of the research is Enhancing the Pedagogy of Recursive Function through AI, a case study on the Fibonacci series in Python programmer. This is a requirement of PGCE level 7 degree in the University of Huddersfield for year 2020, 23, 2024. So when we are actually in this abstract, I'm explaining that how we can use AI in the famous large language models, which is the Chat GPT, Gemini, Bing, and the Claud, enhancing the programming education by using these tools, okay, and see how this can make students more engaged. I use the Fibonacci series as the example through conversational and structure methods, and these are the two methods, one of the two methods of prompt engineering that we use it to talk to any AI system. So actually we wanted to integrate AI in teaching, simplify the complex subject, and foster innovation learning, emphasizes its importance of future-ready education. So why we choose this subject? As introduction, recursive functions are the cornerstone in programming education, vital for the teaching algorithm and problem solving. Understanding these functions, like the Fibonacci series, is crucial for developing computational thinking and programming skills. This advent of the AI in education, particularly tools like Chat GPT, introduces innovations, methods for personalized learning. And here when I said personalized learning, because the AI can be your special AI tutor for you, enhancing the comprehensive of the complex programming concepts. And this is what's emphasized by Fung and Molik and their research, their recent research. This research focuses on using AI to teach recursive function, aiming to discover new teaching strategies that improve understanding and application. So what the methodology that we use in here? Actually, the methodology of this literature review focused on the AI rule in teaching recursive, utilizing databases like IEEE, Explore, and Google Scholar, and keyword on AI and recursion. It's concentrated on recent studies about the AI tools, because everyone knows the AI is very modern subject nowadays, and many research coming in this year. So I don't want to take any research before 2023, because these things started after the appearance of the Chat GPT in 30 November 2022. So I started searching for that one, and a key component was using on the Molik method to evaluate the natural language processing application like Chat GPT, Gemini, Bing, and Claude. And why I choose these four models, because this is the four most famous models and four most expensive, four more demanded models on the AI. on their effectiveness and explanation and coding in the Fibonacci series in Python and phasing the relevance of these things. So first of all, before going with the findings and in general, I wanted to talk a little bit about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, we have many methods of prompt engineering, and prompt engineering mean how to talk to the AI. So many methods. If you are thinking about the deep learning courses about prompt engineering for developers, you will see that we have like Rush prompt and let the model think prompt. We have like two types of prompts or two algorithms of how to talk to AI. If you are talking about how normal people deal with the AI and how to talk to the AI, so we can say we have like more general type of that one, and you can divide it to two types: conversational and structured one. So I'm going to explain was these things. Anyway, when we are going to the to this one in here, the finding from the literature. So what's our finding from the literature? And I use the primary data where I am asking the Chat GPT, Bing, Gemini, and Claude to use the same structure or the same conversational steps to compare between them. So findings from literature review underscore AI effectiveness in teaching recursion, notably through models like Chat GPT 3 and Claude, which customize learning for complex subjects such as Fibonacci series. This study of Fung in 2023 demonstrates that ChatGPT and Claude excel over traditional methods by providing bespoke support for coding tasks, visual tools, and intelligent tutorial system, enhancing learning by offering individualized task and feedback, facilitating deeper understanding. And these are the research of Wang and Kong in 2023. Also came before that, which is in 2021. However, challenges such as system design issues and limitation in AI mathematical reasoning highlight the needs of careful integration within educational framework and addressing ethical concern. And these are many research talking about this, and success in leveraging AI for education hinges on its thoughtful application and the mitigation of the potential drawbacks. Now, what about the findings from our primary data, which is our research? So we talk to these four models. We use what we call the Rush or conversational, and we use the let the model think or the structure. So let's make it very very obvious that the Rush and let the model think, it's almost related to the developers, programming developers. And because this is the programming things, actually I'm teaching my students these types of prompt engineering as well. Now, for the normal people who's not specialist in the programming, I'm talking about the structure and conversational one, because this is the most people how to use the AI on their things. So these are these two approach. We use it in here by using the magic prompt from the Ethan Mollick research. So what we found that the top-down, which is structured, top-down prompts begin with the clear goals refined based on the AI feedback, whereas the bottom-up prompts start broadly, aiming for creative exploration applied to the learning the Fibonacci series in Python. The research highlight OpenAI structured prompt technique for effective communication, which is it is on the resource. So what's the recommendation? Which one we have to use? Should we use the structured one? Should we use the conversational one? Actually, it recommends to combine the approach to leverage both prompt style for optimal AI interaction outcomes. So if the structure is enough, that's fine, but sometimes you need to use the both to get the better result. Anyway, when we are going to the conclusion, in conclusion, the literature review highlights AI's significant role in enhancing recursive function teaching, notably through the adaptive learning experience like Fibonacci series. It showcases intelligent tutorial system and tools like Chat GPT that offer personalized content and feedback, improving students' understanding of recursion. And this is the Wang and Feng. They are emphasis about the same result that we got it. Despite of AI potentials, now the challenge of the hallucination of the AI and the other things, challenges remain in its integration with educational system, requiring a careful balance of human and algorithm input. For educator, incorporating AI involves using capabilities to complement traditional teaching method, focusing on enhancing recursion comprehensive. So I will give you now the barcode that you can use it to explore more about this subject, because it's a very amazing subject and you can go and explore it easily. Now this barcode in here, actually it's for going with the research to see the references, because I use some research and references list, and I use the bibliography where you can find more than 70 references in there. Now, when you are going to check these barcodes, and this is the how I use the Chat GPT and I use the Gemini in here with the stalking. So if you wanted to see what's the conversational method and how we explain the subject, just scan this barcode in here, this barcode, and you can go and find that that resource. This is our primary data, and the structure, this is our primary data where we use the magic prompt, and for Gemini this one and this one. So I will keep it here for time, so you can scan it and go to those things. The poster itself is there, so you can download it and you can use it as well. Thank you for listening, and hope this explanation is enough. If you need any more information, please email me on this contact in here, u2296307 at unimail.hud.ac.uk. Okay, and this is here, it's my LinkedIn account, and you can contacting me anytime to explain more about this subject. Actually, I am doing more research on this field, not only for PGCE, while I got like grant to support my research of using AI in learning and education in computer science. Thank you very much for listening, and hope that you can use this AI in perfect way. Thank you very much.